Yeah. Now is my time. Now is my time.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Right here I'm unboxing two FTP things and then two Supreme things. The third one is like, I don't know where the hell it's at, the mail, but it'll be in the next video, hopefully. This is from the latest FTP drop. And then love these little black bags that they sent it in. One's for the personal, one was like an impulse buy. I really don't want it. I'll show you the impulse buy first. This was the FTP We Don't Dial 911 shirt in burgundy. They never used this color. Besides like for like a hoodie back in like 2015. But yeah, I was like, yeah, maybe I'll wear it, maybe I won't. But looking at it, I probably won't wear this. And I'll probably like put it up on Growth for retail. So I'll put the link down below so you guys can buy it. But yeah, it's a pretty nice t-shirt, nice design. Everyone's been using this. We don't use it like their last season or whatever. But yeah, it's nice or whatever. And then this is for the personal. This is way bigger than anybody expected. But right here I got a FTP mat. Holding it the right way? Oh, here we go. I call it an FTP floor mat, but my dog's gonna call it her new pee pad. So let's hope she doesn't. But yeah, this is huge. I think it's like 2 by 3 feet. Yeah, this is amazing. It's gonna go nice on my floor. Nice with my other likable things. I can take it out and the cameraman can like zoom in on it. But yeah, now we'll move on to the Supreme thing. Alright, right here, I bought 2 of these ungrilled. I saw them for a steal very late at night when I wasn't sleeping. I don't know why, sleep is really stupid. I had one like last summer. I bought it for 60 and I sold it for 120 like the next week. But now these are for the personal, most definitely. This is a Supreme specialized sports bottle. This is dead stock. As you can see, it's still wrapped, brand new paper. I appreciate my man Truce Apparel on Grilled. I'll send you this link afterwards for the great shipping. Wrapped it up very perfectly. Here, I'll open it for you guys. Show you guys this is brand new. Nice Supreme lettering. And you look at the top, it's still brand new. But yeah, this nice everyday use. I'm still gonna wash it just because you never know. Yeah, we'll get on to the next package now. Alright, this is the last package for the video. It's a very short video, but like I said, one more thing has like failed to come in. I don't know where it's at. But I guess we're seeing double today. This guy's packaged pretty decently. Doesn't have the original wrapping paper, but it's whatever. I'm not stressing it that much. He probably had it for a couple years. This one has a couple scratches, but it's still brand new. He claimed to have it on his desk, but I'm still washing it just in case. But here, let me get the other one too. I'm not sure if I want to like have them both like hanging on my desk or something for like just to look cool. Use them both. Use one, stock one. I'm not sure. They'll probably both be on Grow though, in case I get a good offer that I want to accept. Yeah, they're both brand new. And you'll probably see a couple of nice Instagram pictures of these. By the way, to get some history on these are from spring, summer 15, I believe. I just know they came out in the year 2015. But yeah, these are specialized bottle. Like the brand, they retail for like $16. And they're meant for like that bike company, Specialized. But yeah, they're pretty clean bottles. Probably definitely gonna use one. But yeah, you'll still see them both on Grilled. There you got that. That was the whole video. Appreciate you guys like and subscribe. Because apparently if I don't say that, you guys won't do it. But yeah, like and subscribe.
I feel kind of free.